wild man. He's got some crazy tricks. We saw him at the open qualifier, unable to get in, but his skating was so unique. And Sean Hale. Sean got that wild card. He's officially on course.
Nice feeble transfer, tray flip. Right, wheel bite a little bit coming into the tray. He's gonna have to pick it up if he wants to make that up. You never know what Sean is gonna do. You just have no idea. He's one of those guys who could just, you just don't know what trick he's gonna select. His cab back lip.
Yeah, he's got a very unique bag.
He does, truly does. 15 seconds. Oh, nice.
That was
180 fakie 5-0. That was gnarly.
That's time for Sean Hale.
Ran out of a little space when he rolled away from there, straight into the planter.
That back.
1.3 from Sean Hale. Excellent.
So wild.
Sean Hale on course.
Sean Hale. Oh, that was going to be awesome. All right, Sean Hale.
On his first attempt, now here into attempt number 2. Looking to get 3 scores on the board.
Looks like Sean's going for the same obstacle there. Going for that feeble grind. Kickflip transfer, and he gets it. Oh! 99.999% done. Now we have Sean. Getting ready again, changing it up, trying a different obstacle.
He needs to put this score down.
He was going for a backside 360 kickflip.
So last to go for Sean Hale as well.
All right, Sean Hale coming in for his last attempt.
Wasn't trying to grab it, just a backside 360 ollie flip to fakie.